Cube storage lets small homes stay organized and flexible without sacrificing style. Modular cube shelving works best when you plan by function first and footprint second, so measure the intended wall and door swing and define what each cube will hold before buying components. Choose a mix of open cubes for display and closed cubes with doors for clutter containment, and match door hinges and soft close hardware to your usage pattern to avoid noise and wear. Use stackable cube drawers in high-traffic zones to keep everyday items like keys, mail, and chargers reachable, while heavier items go low to maintain stability. Secure tall stacks to studs with brackets for safety. Incorporate baskets sized to cube interiors and add simple adhesive labels or chalkboard tags to speed retrieval without visual clutter. Consider mounted cube walls to free floor space and visually open a room, anchoring into studs or using a proper rail system, and staggering cubes to allow electrical outlets access. When you need seating, convert a row of lower cubes into a bench by reinforcing the top, adding a thin plywood cap and a custom cushion to create a dual-purpose entry or window seat. Common mistakes start with underestimating weight capacity, which causes sag or failure, so always check the manufacturer weight rating and distribute heavy items across lower cubes or add a central support. Another issue is neglecting stability. If you do not anchor tall or high stacks to wall studs, they can tip, so use metal brackets or a French cleat and test with a firm push. The third mistake is poor planning for doors and access where door swings interfere with traffic or other furniture, so mock up the layout with cardboard cutouts or measure clearance, and consider sliding doors or open cubes in tight spots. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners and contractors around projects like modular cube shelving and space-saving systems. We help people find local professionals and contractors for installation and customization, and we host a discussion community where we share ideas, photos, and practical tips so we can all learn from each other.